Right, there was an extra screw to take out, but you see the case is starting to come off now. Ta-da! Right, so what have we got in here? So a quick look. There's your socket for powering. So there's your power supply unit, but we're not using that. We're taking it out. What we're after is the motherboard, which I think is a mini ATX or an ATX. To say it's years since I built a computer. Hopefully, it should be a standard size and fit into our case. So we've got a fan, our CPU, central processing unit under that. It's quite clean, this. What else we got? There'll be that under there is our CD DVD drive. We're not using that. That I believe is PCI Express, which is where our graphics cards go in. And yeah, CPU fans covering a lot of this stuff. But yeah, power supply, the CPU's under there. Don't know whether that battery seemed to work, 'cause I had this fired up yesterday. That keeps the system settings in. Anyhow, I'm gonna take it back upstairs now and start dismantling.